In this video, I will show you how to set up a free proxy for Janitor AI using MegaNova. First, open your browser and search for Janitor AI, then open the official website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, select any character and click on it. Now scroll to the bottom like I'm doing here, where you will find the chat option. Click on it to start a chat and enter the chat interface. After entering the chat, click the menu icon at the top and select API settings. Go to the Proxy section and click Add Configuration, then enter a name for your setup. Now open a new tab and search for MegaNova AI and log into your account. Go to the API section and copy the model name shown there. Return to Janitor AI and paste it into the model field. Next, copy the API endpoint URL from MegaNova and paste it into Janitor AI. Make sure to keep your API key private. Finally, save your configuration and apply the settings. That's it. This is how you can set up a free proxy for Janitor AI. That's it for this video. Subscribe for more tutorials.